Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to save declined meetings on your Outlook calendar. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to outlook.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on the page, log into your Microsoft Outlook account to access your emails and calendar. This is where you'll be able to manage all your meeting invitations and customize how they appear on your calendar. After your email loads up, you'll need to access your Outlook settings to enable the option for saving declined meetings. Look towards the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find the Settings menu, which is represented by a gear icon. Click on this gear icon to open up your Outlook settings panel. This is the central hub where you can customize various aspects of your Outlook experience, including how your calendar handles meeting invitations. Once your Outlook settings window opens, direct your attention to the left side panel. You'll see several tabs listed vertically, and you need to locate the Calendar tab. Click on it to reveal all the calendar-related settings available to you. This section contains everything you need to control how your calendar displays events, handles invitations, and manages your schedule. Now, under the Calendar tab, you'll see an option called Events and Invitations. Click on this option to access the specific settings for how Outlook handles meeting requests and responses. This is where you can customize what happens when you accept, decline, or tentatively respond to meeting invitations. In the Events and Invitations section, scroll down through the available options until you find the Save Declined Events section. This is the key setting you're looking for. Right beneath this section, you'll see a checkbox labeled Show Declined Events on your calendar. This option is what allows you to keep track of meetings you've declined, which can be incredibly useful for staying informed about what's happening even when you can't attend. Simply tick this checkbox to enable the feature. Once you've checked that box, scroll down to the bottom right part of your settings window and click on Save. This will apply your changes and ensure that from now on, any meetings you decline will still appear on your calendar, giving you a complete picture of all scheduled events whether you're attending or not. And that's it. Your declined meetings will now be saved and visible on your Outlook calendar. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.